How to make money on Wattpad. Monetization tutorial. So making money on Wattpad is possible, but you gotta put in mind that it is not instant or automatic. Most income does come after you build an audience, and the main official way is through paid stories, where readers pay to unlock chapters and writers earn a share of that revenue. Wattpad also offers programs like the Creators Program or Wattpad Stars, which can pay selected writers through stipends, ads, or bonuses. But these are invite only and require strong engagement, which are often going to be thousands of reads, followers, and completed stories. Another method is ad based monetization. So, just like the Wattpad Futures program, where writers earn when readers view ads between your pages or chapters. But if you really want a step by step method and a realistic option, start by publishing stories consistently, focus on popular genre, or just focus on what you can give as a writer that can build reads, votes, and followers. Once your story gains traction, Wattpad may invite you to monetization programs and you will get it as a notification. Or you can earn externally through brand deals, maybe even Patreon or other websites, by self publishing your work. The key thing to understand is that Wattpad is mainly a long term audience building platform, and it's not quick on income. Most writers need months or even longer before qualifying for paid features or earning meaningful money. But if you want to learn more, just go ahead to this section in your Wattpad, the right section, and then just go ahead to programs and opportunities. You can read all about it in your preferred browser. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.